welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate what I'm going to do on my hair. I'm super excited because I bought this baby right here. I bought this on Amazon and I'm going to link everything down below. I'm loving this at the moment just because I am trying to stay away from heat. And let me tell you guys, if you haven't tried these little things out, bed sponges is a squishy little sponge. When you lay on it, it feels like a pillow and it does not feel uncomfortable when you're sleeping. The only thing is, for you ladies that want to look sexy and beautiful, y'all gonna look funny at night. But who cares, because when you wake up in that morning, your hair is gonna look flawless and beautiful and without heat damage. So I'm going to demonstrate what I'm going to do on my hair, and then I'm going to come back in the morning. I'm going to take it out with you guys so you can see what is all the hype about. Main reason why I am showing you this technique in my channel, because for you ladies out there that do not want to have that heat damage, you guys want to stop putting heat on your hair, this is one healthy way you can do it. So right now I'm just going to brush my hair. I'm just brushing everything up just to have it nice and smooth for bed. I'm going to put a little bit of oil. I'm going to be using my Sleek and Shine. Here I'm going to just put a little bit on, just so my hair won't be frizzy in the morning. Place that all over my hair. I love this little shine thing because it takes away all the frizz and everything. I'm just putting that all over and I'm just gonna brush it, take all the knots out. Tell you guys, stay away from heat if you're trying to grow out your hair and you want your hair to be luscious, because right now this is some clip-ons. And yes guys, don't come for me, I do sleep with my clip-on sometimes and I know it's not healthy, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna do is, it's super easy and you don't even have to be so perfect with this, because it's just to go to sleep at night and that's it. So I'm just gonna clip my hair up. It'll look kind of funny. I'm like enjoying being super relaxed with you guys with no makeup on. I'm just like loving this. You in here super personal with me, guys. Hope you guys are into this kind of stuff. I know I'm not doing makeup videos right now, but I will, don't you worry. And I'm gonna look a little funny right now, so but it's okay, like I said, because we're gonna look beautiful. So I'm gonna grab my little sponge like this all the way up, make sure, bring it down, and then secure the ends and then bring it up. And if you guys like it tighter, you can put it all the way up, but if you do not like the curls to be super tight, then just do it halfway and it will be fine. So we're going to do the next piece of the hair. Because I have short little pieces, it's a little harder, but secure the ends. And close it. But look how easy that is. We're just gonna do that all around our hair, and I'm gonna speed it up for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now. Push it down, secure the ends, and then bring it up. It doesn't have to be perfect, because all you're looking for is that curl when you wake up in the morning. And there you go. I have two, and now I'm going to do this side. Taking all the knots out. There you go. Now we're going to keep going with the process. Super easy, guys. anybody can do this. You can have straight, curly, wavy, any texture of hair. This will work for you.
Oh honey, so our friendship.
And if you guys try this technique, please let me know how it worked for you. I know the first time I did this, my husband was like, what in the world? He was like so confused, but you gotta do what you gotta do if you want to look beautiful, right? And if you try to take care of that hair. But anyways, I'm just rolling it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're almost there. Now we're doing this side, pinning this over here. I have one side already done. I'm gonna do the other side. All right. Now I have one piece left. I look so funny, guys, but it's okay. Like I said, we're going to look beautiful in the morning. I have 2 kids. I don't have time to be curling my hair. This is what I do. I look like a little granny, but who cares? Because we're going to look beautiful in the morning, and then I'm going to show you guys how my hair is going to look. I'm going to go to sleep now, and I'll be back in the morning just to show you how I take it off, and you guys can see the beautiful curls that I'm talking about. And you guys already seen that I did not put any heat on my hair. I just put this little bed sponge on my hair, and I'm going to unravel it tomorrow morning so you guys can see how it looks. Until the next day, see you later. Bye. All right, guys, I already got myself ready. I put makeup on, and can you tell how I sleep? Look at this. I sleep reckless, but I'm ready to show you guys the result of my hair. Let's actually take the back out so you guys can see. And you already know that I did not put no heat on my hair. So let me go back here so you can see the curls. That's the curl right here. Beautiful curls. So let's take all this out. Like, I'm impressed. Take all this out. Look how beautiful. Look at this. And this is without heat. You want that protective hairstyle? You don't want no heat on your hair? Can you? This. And that's the back. You're just gonna look funny when you're sleeping, but it's okay because, like I said, you just look beautiful when you wake up. And all you do is you take it off, you do all your business. So I'm gonna just take all this out. Oh, that one is a little stuck. Ooh. And it has the volume in wave. I'm loving this. That's the front. Now let's do the back. Look at that. That's the front. Beautiful. And if you want to leave, you know how to do it. This one's a little funny looking, but you can spray some spray just so your curls won't drop. Pull the curls out a little bit just to give it a little bit of that volume. But guys, this is without heat on my hair, and I just feel like Victoria's Secret model. But look at that volume. Oh my goodness. So after you're done, you can spray some spray, but the curls are there. Do you guys see that? I just brush it out a little bit so it won't be so tight. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini hair tutorial, and if you guys did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And remember, if you don't like heat, stay away from heat and get yourself some bed sponges. Bye.
Oh honey, so our friendship ceases